Guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit your account information on Pinterest. So go to your profile page and select these three dots on the top right corner of your screen. Press settings, and here's where you can change your account information. You can change your personal information like your age, gender, and country and region, account management like your email, password, and you can even change your account and convert it to a business account. And there's others like home view tuner, claim account, social permissions, notifications, privacy and data, and security and logins. And that's basically where you can edit your account information on Pinterest. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!